Hey everybody, today I have my son, Preston, who is going to try all of these flavored pickles that I got from Glorious Jerkins. And the deal is, he has to taste every single one of them with me. Here we go.
Sour apple.
Sour apple. So, we're just gonna cut it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so exciting. Now, we're gonna do the smell test. Oh! Smell it.
I like sour apple. It smells good.
Okay, they're pretty green.
You gotta show them first.
You're gonna get yours?
Can we just have one?
Yeah, we're gonna have it. Let me go. Super green, like vibrant. Okay, you first.
Yeah.
What do it taste like?
It's like candy.
Candy pickles? Sour apple candy pickles.
That one's a lot.
It's sweet. I don't know. It tastes like sour apples. It's sweet, a light of a tang. I didn't.
That one's not it.
If you like sweet pickles, that's for you. All right, we're gonna go down the list. Cherry passion fruit.
You know I don't like cherry.
Well, you're gonna have to eat it. That's the agreement. That's sour apple.
That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not the one.
Open that one.
They all look sweet.
Cherry passion fruit.
Mom, they're all gonna be sweet.
Oof. Okay, this one's not as bad. It's in slices. Here, I'll grab one. You get one. Ready? Super sweet. Super cherry. Like car freshener cherry. It smells good. Not for me. What about you?
Not for me.
No?
No.
The next one is Island Breeze. You think it's sweet?
They're all gonna be sweet.
Oh, I hope not. I like me a dill somewhere. Sour.
Maybe garlic chicken. Like garlic chicken.
I'm excited about that one. Here, open this for me. Island Breeze. Look at that juice. It smells islandy. You ready? Let's pick a small one. It's really red.
Yeah.
Okay. We love pickles. Cheers.
Oh my gosh.
Island Breeze. It's crunchy. It's sweet. You like that one better than the sour apple? Has a hint of like tropical-y. Yeah, they nailed that flavor. I'm waiting for a good one. This one, lemon pepper chicken. You're excited about this one?
They're gonna be good. You don't like that lemon pepper chicken.
Not sour at all. It was very apple-y and sweet. What?
Why is this a pickle flavor?
Lemon pepper chicken.
Oh.
It smells like chicken. You ready?
I'm ready for that one. Oh no.
Let's go. Let's try it. Here, grab your own. Grab your own.
Do I have to eat this one?
Yes, that was the deal.
I'm gonna order the typhoon tickets.
It smells like chicken. Oh, come on. Get a bigger piece. Cheers. Oh my. It tastes like chicken.
Very flavorful.
It's very... I think this is my best one so far. So flavorful. A little bit on the saltier side. What a pickle should taste like. But it tastes like chicken. Is this the best one so far?
Yeah.
I think I like this one. I'm gonna move it towards the front. All right, let's do this one.
Let's let them see this one. This is the best one so far.
Let me move. And I have a feeling it's gonna be sweet. Oh my God. It smells like blue Kool-Aid. I hope it's sour. It smells like blue Kool-Aid, right? All right, let's pick one. Look at that color. It's like blue. That's your piece. That's mine. Blue. Come on. Cheers. Oh. Oh. Definitely blueberry. What's wrong? And it's sweet.
Yeah, it's the worst one.
It's like blue Kool-Aid, but not sour. Like lots of sugar. Okay.
These fruit pickles aren't it.
This one is red velvet cake.
What the heck?
I think it's sweet.
Garlic chicken.
Let's do this red velvet cake. What color's your tongue? Blueberry. This one is red velvet cake. It smells like red velvet cake. You think it's sour? I think it's sweet. Let's pick one.
They all smell the same. Like they have a hint, and then they have like the pickle smell.
Okay, this is how red it is. I'm not gonna give you a small piece. I hear you. You're gonna get the same size I get.
I can't be eating this.
Come on, cheers. I think I'm tired of sweet pickles. Come on, come on, come on. Cheers. Tastes like red velvet cake for sure. Not salty, not too sweet. The aftertaste, you even taste like a cream, right? Is that bad? Huh? You didn't like it?
It's probably the best one. Like if you like red velvet cake, this is probably good to you. But I don't like red velvet cake so much.
It's good if you like red velvet
Yeah,
cake.
that's not bad.
I think I like this over.
The chicken one.
No, I like the chicken one. I'm gonna put this one behind the chicken one. What's this one? Our last one. Garlic chicken. Okay. I'm gonna give you the biggest piece.
No.
Why? Oh my God! Smell it. It smells like. It smells like garlic.
Mom,
chicken.
that's big.
You'll be okay. Garlic chicken. Come on. I'm ready.
If you see this, wait. If you're seeing this video, you should PayPal me some money.
Oh wow. That's my favorite.
Yeah, that's edible.
That's good. Garlic chicken. That's good. I'm gonna eat me another piece.
I don't want it.
You think you'll get tired if you eat it more than two? Okay. How does a pickle taste like chicken?
Yeah, this is not that bad. It's edible.
I really like that one. Eat another one.
We can tell you're eating it. You just ate it all. Go ahead.
Eat one more. Eat the last piece. Don't mind me. Oh my god. It's kind of salty. It has a garlic kick. And it tastes like chicken.
You can't taste the pickle in this. You just taste the chicken.
You just taste the chicken. You can't even taste the pickle.
Not bad. Like, imagine a chicken wing drenched in garlic. That's what it tastes like.
That is so good. I will be ordering more. Not too much of the sweet ones, but most definitely the salty, soury, garlicky.
The chicken ones.
The chicken ones. And red velvet cake, once in a while. No?
Not these two.
Yeah, hold it up. So sour apple, blueberry, cherry, passion fruit, island breeze. Not for us. We aren't sweet fans. But we love
The chicken.
Chicken flavor all the way. Thanks for watching. Glorious Jerkins. We love it. I would buy more.